iyong birthday. Sana masarap ang ulam. Ingat. Hello po, Kuya Mark. Happy birthday po. See you soon again. Again? Or maybe see you soon. Bye-bye po. Hello, happy birthday kay Kuya Mark Morales. Stay safe. Hello, Kuya Mark. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best and take care. Happy birthday, Mark Morales. Ingat ka palagi. See you soon. Happy birthday, Kuya Mart. Ingat lagi. Hope to see you soon. Happy birthday, Mark Morales. Wish you more birthdays to come and please keep safe always. Hello kay Mark Morales. Happy birthday. This is Crisis Protocol by Hope you have a blessed day. And of course, enjoy your special day. God bless. Take care. See you soon. Hi, Mark Morales. Happy birthday na naman. Last time, birthday mo ulit. Birthday mo ulit yun. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Happy birthday. Kahit kanina magkasama lang tayo sa concert. And tuloy mo lang yung sundin mo lang kung anong gusto ng puso mo. Just focus on your goal and your passion. So yun lang. Ingat ka palagi. God bless always. Peace.
Hello Mark Morales. Happy birthday sa'yo. Wish ko good health and take care, enjoy your day, and enjoy the concert. See you soon. See you soon. See you later.
Hello, happy birthday Kuya Mart. Enjoy your day. See you soon po. Enjoy yung concert today. See you soon. Ano kayo nakita doon? Nandun ka somewhere sa loob. Happy birthday.
Hello Mark, this is Ian Luis. Happy birthday. I wish you good health and success in life. More birthdays to come and I hope to see you soon.
Birthday mo.
Hi Mark, happy birthday. Video greet na rin. Ingat palagi. See you soon sa mga events. Hi Mark Morales, this is Asia Prime. Ingat lagi, love you, Pangilupya.
Hi Mark Morales, happy birthday. Mag-enjoy po kayo. God bless you.
Happy birthday Mark Morales. Ingat ka palagi.
Hello Mark Morales. Happy advance birthday ha. Sana ako yung unang bumati sa'yo.
See you soon. Happy birthday Mark. Mark Morales. Kaya sayang wala ka dito. Magkita pa tayo ulit. Ingat ka lang.
Ayun na, gusto ko lang namang batiin ng malupit, Mark Morales. Happy birthday sa'yo, brother. Ayun na, ang wish ko sa birthday mo, lalo pa nga, gumwapo at lalo pang maraming mga subscriber ang makarating sa YT channel mo. Kaya naman lagi lang nandito nakasuporta sa'yo. Katulad ko, paano mo ako sinusuportahan? Jefferson Sueña in Canada, nagmamahal. Happy birthday ulit sa'yo. Happy birthday. Painom ka naman yan. Sa'yo, brother Mark. Happy birthday.
This is Lalsab YouTube channel sending warmest congratulations on your birthday. Enjoy every moment of your life because every day is a blessing. Also, congratulations to the success of your YouTube channel. Brace yourself because there will be many challenges that are coming your way. At the same time, enjoy it and have fun. And I wish you good health so you'll enjoy every blessing that will come. God bless you and more power. Mwah!
Hi there, this is Meg here. I would like to greet to Mart for his special day today. And hope you're having a good time, Mart, and more blessings come on your way. And by the way, congratulations from being monetized. You work hard, you deserve it, so keep it up, my friend, and keep it real.
Hello everyone, it's me Norse and regards from Finland. Yes, so currently now it's snowing here and it is minus 18 degrees at the moment and still it's snowing now. So nandito ako ngayon sa labas because I am planning to shovel the snow. So siya nga pala, I would like to send warm greetings from Finland to my one of GC friend, Mark Morales. Happy birthday to you, sir. And I hope that your goal and dreams in life will come true. And just thank God for everything you achieve in life. happy birthday to you once again, and sending my warm regards from cold Finland. Yes, now it's so cold in here. Just enjoy your special day with your loved ones and family, and yeah, keep safe, and happy birthday once again.
Hello guys, happy birthday Mark Morales. Alam ko napakabait mo dito sa YouTube at alam ko pagpapalain ka pa ng Diyos. Happy birthday!
Hello, this is Myvi Garcia. Binabati ko po ng isang maligayang kaarawan ng isang kaibigan kong napaka-supportive na si Mark Morales Vlog. Maligayang kaarawan sa iyo, kaibigan. Sana maging malusog ka lagi at magpataba ka na. Ayan. Thank you so much for the friendship. Happy birthday again, my friend.
Hi Mark! Happy birthday to you! Enjoy your day, and more blessing to come, in more subscriber to come also, in more cake to blow, in more gift to come. Congratulations once again, monetize ka na sa yung channel, na-achieve mo na talaga yung goal mo, at more subscriber to come and grow your channel, and wish you more blessing to come, good health always, from Lourdes Traveler Vlog from here, Singapore. More subscriber to come. Enjoy your day. Bye. Happy birthday. God bless you always. And a happy New Year. Okay, bye. Enjoy your day.
Hello, Mart. Ninang Jing is here. Wishing you happy birthday. Wish you good health, more birthdays to come, more views and subscribers sa YouTube channel mo. Ayun, and God bless you always. Happy birthday.
Yun na nga, paring Mark Morales, wish granted. So dahil kaarawan mo ngayon, binabati kita ng isang happy birthday mula dito sa aking tahanan ni Jed and Ray. Kung saan gaya ng dati, malamig ang paligid at punong-puno ng yelo. So this is your moment, this is your day. Enjoy, and being a monetized channel, hope for your success, and more power to you. God bless always.
Kuya Mart, happy birthday. Wish you all the best. So God bless and good luck sa ating mga YouTube channel. Alam ko na lalaki pa at magiging matagumpay dito tayo sa ating tinahak at ginusto na landasin ang pag-YouTube o pag-vlog. Again, happy birthday!
Hello, Mark Morales! Wish ko sana magkaroon ka ng marami pang birthday and more vlogs to come. And sana yung channel mo mas maging bonggang-bongga, magkaroon ng mga trending videos, magkaroon ng mga maraming subscribers. Alam mo na, yung mga YT natin, ganito lang naman ang buhay natin. So, keep it up. More power. God bless. And again, happy birthday from Europe's Alae.
Hi, good evening. This is me, Mimi Beauty in Hair and Makeup. Tonight, guys, ay gagawa ko ng short video para sa ating short birthday greetings for our friend Mark Morales. Hi, hello Mark. Good evening to you and happy birthday, and wish you all the best in life, Mark, and I hope mapalago pa natin yung pag-iibigan natin dito sa ating buhay YT. At thank you so much sa lahat ng mga support mo, at ganun din naman kami sa iyo. So maraming salamat at God bless you all. Happy birthday and wish you all the best. God bless.
Yo mga kahatog, welcome to my YT channel. It's Jimbo Rats TV. Kung bago ka pa lang sa aking channel, mag-subscribe ka na. Huwag ka na magpatumpik-tumpik pa. So ayan guys, for today's video, may i-greet lang tayo na nagsa-celebrate ng kanyang birthday, ang aking napaka-loyal na viewer sa aking live stream araw-araw. So ayan, Mark Morales, happy birthday sa'yo, Lods, and I wish you all the best in your life, and lagi mo tatandaan, nandito lang din ako para supportahan ka sa mga gusto mo. Alam mo yan, so, kahit pa wala nang dumidikit sa'yo, pineplex pa rin kita ng pineplex. Ayan, so maraming salamat sa suporta mo, Lods, and I'm very thankful kasi araw-araw ka talagang nasa LS ko. So wish ko lang sa'yo na sana mag-grow pa yung YT channel mo, and wish ko lang din ang successful mo dito sa career na tinatahak natin. So magtuloy-tuloy lang tayo, Lord. So ayan, and again, happy birthday and God bless you. Ingat.
Hey bro, una sa lahat gusto kitang batiin ng happy birthday, and ang wish ko lang, sana marami ka pang mukbang na gagawin. Hindi, joke lang. Happy birthday, and sana yun, enjoy mo lang yung araw na to. At saka gusto ko na rin kunin ng pagkakataon na to para i-congratulate ka sa pagiging monetized channel mo sa YouTube world. So again, happy birthday and God bless.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Mart, happy birthday. Wish ko lang is good health, more success on your birthdays, and ayun, more birthdays to come. Treat yourself, and ayun, ma-accomplish mo sana yung mga gusto mong ma-accomplish sa buhay mo, and ayun, enjoy mo lang yung special day mo. Again, happy birthday!
Ayan, Nathaniel Mercado Vlog po. Ayan, happy birthday po kay Kuya Mart C. Morales. Ayan, mag-enjoy your day po, and congratulations po, na-monetize channel ka na po. Ayan po, isa po yan sa gift mo po sa iyong birthday na Monica. Ayan, congratulations, and yun, happy birthday. Wish ko lang na good health to you, and more birthdays to come, and more blessings to come po. God bless po, and keep safe always. Syempre, andito lang po kami to support you, Kuya Mart. And yon, bye-bye. Nathaniel Mercado Vlog po muli. Bye.
Herbert Morales, happy birthday. We're related to Dr. Palate. Nandito lang Palate kay Yoli. Dati Nubel, kapag tinanong mo, PM lang. 10 PM lang. Happy birthday, Marty Morales. Maraming salamat sa tulong sa amin. Team Alasi. Ingat na pala natin. Happy birthday, Marty Morales. God bless you. Bye.
Mega love shoutout sa inyong lahat. Ayan, what's up guys? This is Alec J. Queen, your Kuya Alec, Kuya J, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, ayan, meron tayong babatiin guys. Ayan, walang iba kundi ang isang naging kaibigan ko dito sa YouTube, isang napaka-supportive kong kaibigan. Ayan, Mart C. Morales, happy birthday to you. Ayan, wish ko, syempre, pinaka-importante sa lahat, lalo na sa panahon ngayon, ayan, good health syempre, ayan, and ingat ka palagi, and I hope na one day magkita tayo, ayan, syempre more birthdays to come, and sana i-bless ka pa ni Lord, and ayun, andito lang ako, patuloy na susuporta sa journey mo sa YouTube mo. Ayan, pagpatuloy mo yan. And, ayan, thank you sa lahat. And once again, happy birthday, Mart C. Morales from Alec J. Queen. With love. Bye-bye.
Mega love shoutout everyone. This is Noel Diaz, #Chinito. Ayan, gusto ko lang i-greet yung napakasipag kong CEO. Ayan, ang aking CEO na si Mark Morales. Ayan, happy birthday to you, and ayan, sana tumaba ka na, ayan. And medyo magpahinga ka, wag ka masyadong ma-pressure sa mga ginagalaan mo, mga kopro natin. So super thank you ako, super thankful kasi nakilala kita. Ayan, tinulungan mo ako na mag-grow yung channel mo, and hoping na wag ka magbago, continue to be humble, And ayan, continue to be makulit. Ayan, so I'm always here to support you also to your channel. And more birthday to come and good health. And ayan, ano pa ba? Basta, and good health. And ayan, ano pa ba? Basta, continue mo lang kung yung pagsusupport mo sa mga kaibigan natin dito sa ating community. And ayan, happy birthday again. God bless to you and to your family. Just enjoy what you're doing, especially dito sa ating community. And lagi ka lang mag-ingat dyan. God bless. Thank you so much.
Hi, Kuya Mart! Happy birthday po sa iyo, Kuya Mart! Ayan, more birthdays to come and candles to blow sa iyo, Kuya. At, sana marami ka pong handa, Kuya, sa birthday mo at magpapakain ka. Charla. Ayan, Kuya, no? More birthdays to come and candles to blow. Maraming salamat po, Kuya. Love, love, love.
Happy birthday, Mart Morales from Cass and Alex.
Hi guys! This is Rose Official. So for today's video ay gusto ko lang batiin ng happy birthday si Mart Morales. Happy birthday, Mart, and more birthdays to come. At sana lahat ng wishes mo sa birthday na to ay matupad. So nandito lang ako to support you always. We love you. Happy birthday.
What's up? Hey! So ayan, I just want to say happy birthday sa iyo, Mart Morales. Naway more. Oo, maraming blessings pa yung matanggap mo kasi napaka-supportive mo, napaka-sipag mo. Yan. Kada LS ko, makikita ko, ayan, naway marami ka pang matulungang tao, marami ka pang ma-inspire na tao. Share mo lang yung mga, anong tawag dito? I-share mo lang yung mga bagay or mga ideas na nalalaman mo. Yan. Tuloy-tuloy mo lang at magbo-boom din yan. And, ayun lang. Happy birthday sa'yo. Mag-iingat ka palagi. See you soon. Bye, Mart.
Hi, Mart. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Enjoy ka sa birthday mo today. I wish you all the best. Ingat ka lagi sa paggagala mo sa YT world. Keep always safe. Lagi mong tatandaan na lagi lang kami nakakasuporta sa'yo. Sa channel mo. Nandito lang kami lagi nasusupport sa'yo. I'm happy to masaya akong nakilala ka bilang isang kaibigan. Marami kang naitulong sa channel ko, sa akin, sa channel. Marami akong natututunan sa iyo sa pag-YouTube. Maraming salamat in advance. And once again, happy birthday.
Hi guys, this is Sarang Gijo. For this video, meron lang akong nais batiin na isang maligayang kaarawan. Walang iba kundi ang aking nag-iisang best. Ang napakasungit, ang napakataklasan, ang napakamainitin ng ulo, walang iba kundi ang nag-iisang magsimulanis ng white world. Hi Bes! Happy birthday! Kahit una yung birthday ko, nagpapatiun na ka sa akin. Sige, ito na. Wish ko, magkaroon ka na ng love life. Sana dumami pa ang subscribers mo, dumami pa kami mga kaibigan mo, and good health and blessings. Good luck sa ating dalawa, sa ating blessings, sa ating revenues, and yun lang, basta lagi kang mag-iingat sa iyong pag-vlog, and God bless, bye-bye, happy birthday.
Hello everyone, this is Sheila Balajay at may gusto lang akong batiin ang isa sa mga bagong kaibigan ko dito sa YouTube. Yan ay walang iba kundi si Mart Morales. Hello be! Happy birthday! And wish ko lang good health and stay safe palagi. If you need anything, andito lang ako. Ayan, napapa-English ako kasi Inglesero ka. Yun lang, salamat sa mga pambubuli. Joke lang. Salamat sa lahat ng wala ka pang nagagawa sa akin pero thank you. Charot lang. O, yun lang. Ingat ka palagi, Marcy Morales. Bye. Happy birthday again.